What should you do if you've been arrested in Houston? The very first thing that you need to recognize is once you've been arrested, the officer has made his mind up. Stop talking to the police. You do not talk to the detective. You do not try to over-explain yourself to the police. Your mental state needs to shift into what is best for you. If you are arrested and you're in a jail, that line that you are calling out to friends and family is a recorded line. Everything can be used against you as evidence. The only call that you should be making is to an attorney who can get involved with your case, represent you, defend you, and protect you. Your attorney will know things about your rights and be able to get access to that privileged information, that confidential information that they will then be able to use to argue in your magistration bond hearing. That bond hearing is what comes next after the arrest. A law enforcement agency is going to take paperwork called a probable cause affidavit. They're going to give it to the court, and the court is going to use that. The state will use that. Your defense attorney will use that to argue what that bail amount should be based on the law. You want your defense attorney to have as much time as possible to get witnesses, to get favorable evidence, and to make the best arguments to ensure that that bail amount is as low as possible so you are saving money with a bail bonds company when you try to bond out of jail. The most important thing that you can do is stop talking to the police and start the conversation with your attorney. Here at Varghese Summersett, we are proactive in our approach to criminal defense. We try to be at every magistration hearing from the beginning, knowing every fact, every argument, every minor detail, so that we can use that to our advantage moving forward. If you have been arrested for a crime in Houston, it is imperative that you get a criminal defense attorney as soon as possible. If you or a loved one's been arrested, call us at 281-805-2220. We're here to fight and we're here to help.